if you've been dealing with dark spots, acne marks, or uneven skin tone, and every brightening product either breaks you out or does nothing, this one might actually surprise you. This is the SKIN1004 Centella Brightening Ampoule, and what's make it different is that it's not just a brightening serum. It's also calming, barrier-friendly, and acne-safe. It brightens using ingredients like niacinamide, tranexamic acid, and vitamin C, but it's balanced with 77% centella, so it doesn't irritate your skin. It's also fungal acne safe, which is a huge deal if your skin reacts easily. So in this video, I'll walk you through how to use it properly, who actually needs it, and the do's and don'ts so you don't waste your time expecting the wrong results. So let's break this down in a simple way. This ampule is mainly for fading acne marks, brightening dull skin, calming redness, and helping your skin heal faster. Now, here are the key ingredients and what they do. It has Centella asiatica, which is your calming ingredient. It reduces redness, helps acne, and supports your skin barrier. It also has niacinamide that helps brighten your skin, even out tone, and control oil. It also has tranexamic acid, which is amazing for pigmentation. It helps fade dark spots and discoloration over time. Also, 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid, which is a stable form of vitamin C that helps brighten without being too irritating. It also has madecassoside and panthenol, which help soothe and repair your skin. And humectants like glycerin and butylene glycol, which keeps your skin hydrated and plump. There's also lactobacillus ferment, which helps support your skin barrier. So overall, this is a brightening, calming hybrid, which is why it works so well for acne-prone skin. Now let's talk about how to actually use it, because this is where most people mess up. Step 1 is to cleanse your face. Make sure that your skin is clean. Step 2 is apply it on slightly damp skin, not soaking wet, but slightly damp so it helps absorbs better. Step 3 is use 1 to 2 droppers. The texture is lightweight, watery, and absorbs really fast, so it won't feel heavy or sticky. 5th step, follow it up with a moisturizer. Always seal it in. And in the morning, don't forget sunscreen, because if you're treating pigmentation without sunscreen, it's pointless. And you can use this AM or PM. Now, this ampule is actually very easy to pair. It works well with hydrating toners, barrier creams, gentle exfoliants like PHA or low percentage of AHA, and sunscreen. Sunscreen is very important. Now, if you want better results for dark spots, you can pair it with a gentle exfoliant 2 to 3 times a week or with azelaic acid. Now, let's get into the do's and don'ts, because this will determine if it works for you or not. Do patch test first. Even though the formulation in this serum is very gentle, still always test. Also, do be consistent. This is not a quick fix, and don't expect results in 1 week. This is where most people get it wrong, and here's a realistic timeline. In 1 to 2 weeks, your skin looks calmer, less red, more hydrated. In 3 to 4 weeks, you'll expect early brightening, fresh acne marks start fading. In 6 to 8 weeks, you'll expect more even skin tone and darker marks improving. In 8 to 12 weeks, gradual improvement in stubborn pigmentation or melasma. And just to be clear, melasma is deep and hormonal, so no serum works fast on it. And another don't is don't mix it with too many strong actives at once. Avoid layering this with strong exfoliating acids like high percentage of AHA or BHA. Also, don't layer it with benzoyl peroxide at the same time. And also, don't mix it with multiple vitamin C products, and keep your routine simple. Now, for my honest experience, this one actually really surprised me. My skin felt calmer pretty quickly, and I noticed that my red acne marks faded faster than usual. What I really like is that it did not trigger any of my breakouts, which is rare for brightening products. This one is gentle enough to use even when I have active acne, And I actually feel like it really helped them heal faster. So, overall, this is a really good option if you have acne prone or sensitive skin, if you want to fade dark spots without irritation, if you struggle with redness and uneven tone, or need a gentle everyday brightening serum. But if you're expecting overnight results, this is not it. This ampule works slowly, gently, and consistently. And honestly, that's why it works. Now, if you find this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll always be updated once a new video is out. And kindly let me know in the comments down below what you want me to review next. Thank you so much, Stas, for watching. And as always, take care of your skin and take care of you. Bye!